Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to open video in Lightbox when click on button in Elementor WordPress. So when user click on button, then video open in Lightbox. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now click on button. So we are using button widget. So you can do styling for button widget according to requirement. Now you see type, text and then you see link. So we are going to open video on pop-up. Now you see dynamic tags option. So click on it. Now you see multiple option. Now you see action. In action you see Lightbox. So click on it. Now you see Lightbox edit. Again click on it. Now you see setting. You see type. Now you see video. So click on it. So we are going to add video URL. So you can add your video. Now paste. Now you see video link added. So we upload this video in our media library in WordPress. Now you see MP4 video and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see button. So click on it. Now you see video open and video autoplay. Now you see close button. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.